about to come out here and do a little work with the garlic chives, dividing them and spreading them around the garden. And right where I was getting ready to plant, I moved a pot, and look who was under there. This is a baby diamond-backed rattlesnake, and forgive the handheld, but I wanted to get close enough for you guys to see him and see how he's just chilling there, just waiting for me to leave and leave him alone, or maybe her. And I'm making this video to reinforce the fact that we live in their land. Never put your feet or hands where your eyes have not been first. Learned that as a kid. I forget it every now and then something like this happens and gets the heart started and gets the reminders going in the brain all over again. So the thing about young rattlesnakes like this is that they are very, very excitable. Okay? That said, this guy's pretty dang chill. I'm going to put you on the tripod so I can talk. The killer snake is pretty chill, which is nice. But the problem with young rattlesnakes is that they are more excitable than the mature ones. And I do know he's a diamondback because he's not being aggressive towards me. And there's other markers. Oh, Mojave would have been like bit me by now if I was just sitting here photoing him. They are very, very grumpy rattlesnakes. And Mojaves and diamondbacks both live in our region. So, no, I am not going to poke him to make him move for the video. This is one of those leave sleeping dogs lie thing. The little ones are, I started to say this, the little ones are very excitable. And whereas mature ones may bite you and do what is called a dry bite with no venom, the little ones are much more excitable, and they're more likely to envenomate you, which is basically not a good thing. And I remember reading somewhere that 99% of all snake bites are males, and of that 99%, 99% are on the hand. The 1% of female human beings that get bit are usually bit on the legs. 99% of their bites are there on the legs, meaning they're not out there going, ooh, let's poke him, ooh, let's handle him. It's a living being, and he has the ability to make my life miserable, so I don't have any reason to make his life miserable. Let's just leave him be here in the garden, and I'll finish my gardening task that's in this area some other day. Leave him to savor the southwest sunshine in peace and quiet. Thanks for watching.